What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 on the Motor Group, and today, man, we about to get straight into it, man. Today, man. Yeah, I've been procrastinated on this project for a while now, but today we showing love to the E39. All right, 540. So let me give you guys a backstory real quick. This is a project car that I had got last year, I think towards my birthday. And if you guys ain't familiar with it, y'all can go look in my playlist or look through my videos, and y'all can see all the progress that I have made on this car. I've done a lot to this car since I got it. Saved it from the junkyard and just start putting money into it, and you know, I'm trying to make it. I got this idea I want to do with it, so that's what I'm trying to push for right now. Kind of want to have like a turbo V8, not even turbo, probably supercharged V8 540. Out of all the 5 Series, the E39 has been my favorite one, just because that M5, man, the M5 is so beautiful, man. Like the way it was designed and just straight from the factory, just looks so perfect, man. The design of it is, man, I just love this body style, man. Like just seeing how muscular it is, and plus that V8 and the 6-speed manual transmission, like it's the perfect combination. But with these V8s, man, you get a lot of problems with them, man. You get a lot of like timing chain guys, you get water pump leaking, fan clutch blowing up. Like it's so much issues with these BMW V8s, man. I'm more into the straight 6-cylinders, but since this is the closest thing I can get for M5 without paying M5 money, I think I'll just push my luck with this build, man. And you know, as the builds like get more I'll say get more what's a good word to use? Get more serious, like more money start going into them, and going to body shops, body kits, and all that stuff. That's why I like documenting these type of things, man, so we can go back and like see the journey from when I first got it to where it's at, you know, today, to where it's gonna be at in the future. So, man, just stay tuned, man. If you're new to my channel, man, like and subscribe to the channel, man. I mean, it's just, I'm a car enthusiast, just recording, you know, my projects, man. Ain't nothing more, nothing less, you know what I mean? I appreciate everybody that tunes into the channel and who subscribe, man. If you want to stick around and see more content like this, man, subscribe to the channel, man. We only getting started. But anyway, let me stop talking and start wrapping you guys up. Today, man, I'm about to get started on my my Vally Pan gasket for my 540, man. Unfortunately, it started leaking coolant from the back of the engine, like back here. So it's a gasket. It's called a Vally Pan. It sits underneath this intake manifold. So basically, what we gotta do is we gotta remove this whole intake and replace the gaskets. I actually got all my parts already. Shout out to FCP Euro. You guys can check it out here. It's not a sponsored video, but they had a good kit online with all the gaskets and stuff. So, taking this stuff out the way. So this is the main piece right here that we're replacing, which is the Vally Pan. And I think this is the cover that goes with it too. I guess I'll start seeing these things when I'm pulling them off. So I guess we can put these things over here. I got some gaskets. It might be an intake gaskets. We got bolts. Oh, that's cool. And this is some extra I ordered. This is a vacuum hose for the brake booster. See, mine is like taped up and all rigged up together, so I have to replace that too. All right, yeah. So that's why I have this hose here. So what is this? Maybe some O-rings and stuff. Okay, so these are the gasket. So it's a housing in the back that you have to replace. These are all the gaskets for those. Got the coolant hose O-rings too. Well, this kit is supposed to come with everything you need to do this job. So that's what my plan is. That's what my plan is today, man. Just to get everything done, man. All right, so that's the kit right there. So let's get started, man. Let's get this thing rolling, man. Well, I still got the energy. harness from both sides. I kind of blown my injectors came out. I hope they don't leak going back in. And yeah, once you take the harness off, you can make way for the intake to come off. It's already loose. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna take off the intake and get down to the Vally Pan, and I'll show you guys what's leaking. And then this is why I'm replacing it right here. You see all this coolant back here? It's like all dried up coolant. Sometimes it just full up and drain. It overflows over the back of the engine. Overflows in the back. See how wet it is right here. So yeah, luckily all the valves are closed. Let me take that washer out if it cause any trouble. Alright guys, we got the new Vally Pan installed. Here's the old one. So what normally happens with these is the gaskets get real flat and worn. So then that's when you have the issues coming in, where you have coolant leaking everywhere. So as I'm digging into this thing, I'm just realizing that I still got a lot of things I need to replace. Like some of this stuff might be the original parts that's been on it for years. So I'm just gonna I'm not even gonna finish this whole video today. I'm just gonna probably pick it up when I get the parts, or I might just finish the Vally Pan and just wait for the rest of the parts. I know BMWs, man, once you in there, you might as well replace everything you can. Because as soon as you fix one thing, another thing breaks, so, you know. But yeah, man, thank y'all for even tuning in.